Hello guys, welcome to Technology Stack. Today we'll learn how to create a IAM user.
All right, we are in the main root account.
We can click on the IAM to the recently visited links or we can type here. Let's create our first IAM user. We'll name it as developer 1. Then we will select the access key and we have two options here for the password, auto generated and custom. We'll go with a custom right now. Then we will attach this user to a group and we'll name this group as developers and we're gonna keep the administrator access to it. So next we can do is we can create some tags like department, name, blah blah blah, and let's review it. So we have a user, we have access tag, and what's the group is attached to, and what are the stacks. So let's go ahead and create our user. So you can see here the user has been created. It has access key ID and secret which can be used to access through CLI, and we can also send the details through email. Then this is the link to which we can log in for that particular user. Now let's log in for that particular user. So my username was developer1, password is blah blah blah. Let's switch to the new console home. Let's go back to the IAM. You can see here now our user group and the user has been created. And if you see here, uh, this is our IAM user, and since it's IAM, it's not assigned to any specific region, it's on the global level. So that's how we created our first user.